Yeah, chicken foot soup. Fully active before I hear that. Fully active. Welcome to Cook on Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook on Vibe. You've done see where we are. We're outside. This is me today, people. Got a real hard recipe for you today. Chicken foot soup. Let's go. Yeah, it's not a joke. Chicken foot soup. You know what I'm saying? So first of all, we're gonna give him a pedicure. Yeah. Oi, oi. Right, first thing you need to do is scrub these things. Yeah, you need a good scrub, a good wash, and then they need a little pedicure. So we got to get rid of these fingernails. Gruesome, I know. So we got to get rid of the fingernails, and then we're going to give them a slit on the paw there. I know it seems a bit gruesome, but yeah. They've been soaking for a little while. I'm going to give some lemon juice, give them a good scrub, and then chop off these fingernails. And yeah. All right, a little pedicure. All right, so we're going to get some nail varnish. No, I'm joking. So basically, you want to chop off any type of fingernail or anything like that on the chicken foot. Make sure you get the thumb as well. All right, so once you've done that, people, get rid of the fingernails. I know that's gruesome. And you want to just give it a split there. Another one there. And then on that side, one there. And one there. And what we're going to do, I'm even going to take off that bit there as well. And there we have it. That's ready to go. Straight in the soup. Gonna give it another wash with some lemon afterwards. And yeah, man, I ate that. We outside. Yeah, now look, I know it seems gruesome, but how can I explain it to you? It's just a little bit of meat, right? And it's the flavour. It's like, imagine having like a really, really good chicken stock. And you know, like that chicken stock is gonna taste really good in your soup. Then that's basically what chicken foot does. You know, it seems a bit gruesome, but yeah. So we're just getting them in there first, people. There's not woolly per feet there. You know what I mean? That's good. So I'm gonna tell you the story of the first time I ever had chicken foot soup. All right, let's get our first seasonings in there. Some pimento seeds. We're gonna get them straight in there. Scallion is gonna go in next. Literally, I'm not even gonna chop the scallion. I'm just gonna rip off the ends of these. We'll just chop the ends off these because I'm gonna plant these in the ground and then chuck that straight in. Yeah, scallion goes in. Next, we're gonna chop up some garlic and one brown onion and get that inside as well. All right, chuck some garlic in there now and make that go on, people. Chicken foot soup. You understand? On the coal stove. Yeah, real style. Yeah, so let me tell you the story of when I found out the chicken foot soup was actually all right. So I'm in Jamaica. I'm in Portmore with a couple of my brethren, and we've gone to link his brother, my brethren's brother. And his brother works in this place, doing clothes and stuff, like like tailoring and stuff like that. Anyway, we're there and we're chilling, and this soup man's come over and he said, yo, M-Dot, you have to try that soup there. And he gave me the money to go and buy the soup. Now, obviously, we're in a third world country in Jamaica. People ain't got a lot of money. He's a working man. You know what I'm saying? So out of respect, I have to, you know what I mean? He's paying for the soup. I'm gonna take the soup. So I've gone up to the soup man. I said, yeah, one small soup. Yeah. I said, what is soup? What's the soup? He said, chicken foot soup. I said, buckler. So now I've got it, and I can't do nothing but just consume this chicken foot soup. And I ate it, and honestly, it was really, really nice. And then the more like I research into the cooking and stuff like that, It's more of like a chicken stock. It's like a really nice chicken stock. You know, you don't even necessarily have to eat the feet, but obviously people do. And yeah, so that is the story of chicken foot. Next, people, we're gonna chop up this butternut squash. You would usually use pumpkin, but I can't get pumpkin, so this is a good substitute, you know? Yeah. Just chopping in the last bits, the butternut squash. All right, once that is done, and once these are kind of mushed up a little bit, that 15 minutes, that is when we're going to chuck in seasonings and the rest of the bits and bobs. But for now, fully active. Seasoning time. All right, now get 3 chicken stock cubes in there. I've got some all-purpose seasoning. Yeah. And I want some Maggi seasoning in there as well, people. That is it. Time to season up the soup. Now the seasoning's in, we're gonna put some Irish potato and chop that in, people. Irish potato time, people. Get them in there. Yeah. Good vibes, and we ain't got no yam. I couldn't get no yam or nothing like that. So what I'm gonna put in there, is I'm gonna put some dumplings in there as well. Fully active chicken foot soup. Scotch bonnet and make that go on in there, you see me? That is it, people. Fully active. Next, people, we're gonna put in some spinner dumplings, just like this, you see me? Yes, people, the last thing we're gonna do now is put some soup mix in there, and that is it. Yeah, fully active on the whole side. Get all that mixed in. Yeah, as you can see, foot them there, potatoes there, dumplings, are good vibes. Chicken foot soup. And there we go, people. There is a finished chicken foot soup. Yeah, everything inside there. Good vibes. Let's see where them feet are there. Oi. Yeah. Chicken foot soup. Fully active before I hear that. Yeah. Yeah, taste time, people. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at some Irish in there. Another Irish, some dumpling in there, you know what I'm saying? Taste time. Get some of that Irish. Strong. For the chicken foot. Simple thing, man. You get me? It's more meat all in between them. The little bone come out there. But yeah, just eat around where the meat is. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed the episode, people. Big up yourself, man. If you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Hit that like button, get the video moving, and hype up the video. Fully active. I'll see you next time.